Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Christopher bringing you yet another educational, informing tutorial, training video, if you will. Our main purpose here as a company, as a marketing firm, marketing agency, is to simply educate and inform. Now, this video will instruct us on several options with our Motor Club benefit program. Okay, just a little bit brief history. We may have touched on this in other videos, but our Motor Club program, which is Emergency Roadside Assistant benefit program, is administered by Motor Club of America. All right. Now, Motor Club of America has many benefits with their programs. Again, all your roadside assistance, towing, battery service, fuel charge, etc. But what I want to focus on in this video, and I'm kind of talking a little bit more of a personal experience here. So I'm assuming if anyone is watching this video, you've at least have had at least one speeding ticket in your life. We've all have been pulled over. We've all have been maybe going 10 miles over the speed limit, 5 miles, 20, 30. We may have been doing, doing 85 and then 65, etc. But nonetheless, we have been pulled over by the police. Okay, sorry about that. I had to readjust the computer settings, so I hope you guys can see it clear. But one of the things I'm sure, again, we've all experienced is being pulled over by the police. Now, typically what happens, you get a speeding ticket. Depending on how fast you were going, you may have several tickets, you may have your car towed, or you may have up to an arrest. So we did some research, and we googled in. I really just googled in. I believe traffic attorney ticket, something like that, fees. So I found this, and I kind of just want to review it. And as we know, different fine violations, different moving violations vary from state to state. But again, my overall mission here is simply to point out the value as to how this could help you should you ever have to face financial hardship or now financial means because of a speeding ticket, because of a traffic related case. So I just really just want to go over that for one moment here, and then I wanted to make sure that I touch on something else as we're moving forward. Okay. Now, again, this is just an estimate. This is not anything concrete, but it just gives kind of an example, if you will, as to what fees cost, average, sometimes, etc. But here, what I learned in this most common traffic violation is speeding, and that pretty much is what this will help you with. Your fees start as low as 60 to 150 bucks just for the lawyer to simply come into the courtroom. Now it can go higher to 250 bucks. Attorney fees can jump $900 to $2,000. It varies, okay? It definitely varies, and I just wanted you guys to see this. I wanted you all to just take a little time here and kind of skim through it. I'm not going to sit here and bore you, just to read, because all of you all are intelligent, smart individuals. So I just wanted to point this out to you. And then the website goes on to talk more about what is included in the arrest, in the case, in the traffic violation. If it's speeding, if you're going to have court, if it's going to be a felony, misdemeanor, all these good things, okay? It also discussed, typically what the law may allow in terms of a grace period. Maybe you're driving 9 miles over the speed limit, and they may mess with you, or they may not. Then the website also goes over to talk a little bit more about the, again, different fees, court fines, assessments, just a traffic ticket fines within itself, a witness. Oh, it gets expensive, as you guys know. Okay. So again, this is a site that I found here. Again, I'm not going to bore you. I just wanted to keep it short and sweet. Again, I wanted to make awareness, because being pulled over, being in traffic related incidents happens every day, whether you're in an urban or a rural type area. So with this Motor Club program, and I like this because it talks about AAA, um, and this is not the AAA that I'm thinking about. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. I'm sorry. This is the AAA Motor Club that is in comparison with Motor Club of America. However, and I'm actually a former AAA customer, client myself, and quite frankly, when I had them, I liked them, but with the exception of a bail bond card, which MCA gives you right here, you'll receive a fat little card. It almost looks like a credit card, but if you were to be pulled over, a couple deals that will happen. One, you provide that card in replacement of your driver's license. So let's say you get pulled over, and for the moving violation, let's say if it's a certain speeding ticket, and let's just say you went 15 miles over. It's not anything major here. You may not need an attorney, but you have a speeding ticket. And two things will happen, and let's just say you won't be arrested physically, but they have to take your driver's license and bond. I'm sure we've all have had that happen at least one time. Like AAA, Motor Club of America will provide you a bond card in lieu of your license, okay, or cash if you don't have it on you. All right, then that way you can go home and not go to jail, and then get ready for court, whatever has been assigned. Let's say you were actually arrested. Let's say you're arrested and you were behind bars. What MCA will do for you, while AAA will do this, the arrest bond, what AAA won't do, what MCA will do is provide a bail bond for up to $25,000. Excuse me. So you can go home to your family. Okay. So if you're arrested again, MCA will supply $25,000 for your release from jail. Okay. Second, what MCA will do and other motor clubs will not do. Let's go back to these attorney fees, to maybe some of these court costs. Just to give you an example, what I recommend you do is do research for your own state. Do a thorough research. Maybe you want to know the exact numbers. Okay. Maybe you want to know the numbers, and then you can just do the math to find out the value in the service, because it's better than nothing. Okay, we all may be on a fixed income. Some of you may be on a better income, but not to mention, every penny helps when you have assistance in these situations. So as you see, Motor Club of America will supply you up to a certain amount of dollars in attorney fees, etc. And it's all down here. Okay. So again, in this video, I just wanted to point out an everyday occurrence that we all deal with, and that's being pulled over. We've all been had a speeding ticket at one point or another, and some of us may have needed an attorney. Some of us may not have needed an attorney. Some of us may have been to jail because of bail bonds, and some of us may not have been to jail because the bail bonds can get very serious. So it's better than have some assurance to make sure that you're going to have you're going to be covered financially. And again, what I recommend you guys do is just simply look up your own states or your own cities moving violation fines, then look up your own attorney fees. So do your own research, but again, I just wanted to provide an example, and to again make aware to show how valuable this benefit is. And just so you guys know, this is the most popular plan. However, this benefit here, I just want to show you again, we believe in educating and being aware. should something like this interest you, and let's say right now you don't want to pay $19.95, you can do your research and go back to the main site. There's the 3 different levels. However, just to maybe you just want that. You just want that benefit. You can just have it for $10 a month. Again, our company, we have the Motor Club here. Again, you get the arrest bond. You get with the card here. You give to the police officer if should you ever go to jail because of a traffic-related violation, and most importantly, attorney fees. So they will help you with these benefits here. And again, ladies and gentlemen, we just want to point out the value, and the packages is as follows. Again, you can start with the basic one, and that'll at least give you the coverage. Okay. All right. We want to thank you for this time. We hope that this was helpful. Again, do your research, and as always, we will always keep updating you on what's going on, so you as a consumer can make the best decision for yourself and maybe for your family. Have a great day.